Genes are made of DNA, the process of male and females. The genes are very dynamic and they transporting the blood to each other to produce cells. And heredity is a process of like hair, eyes, skin color, like different eyes to your parents and different colors of your hairs.
In every cell that is human body, there is a nucleus where genetic material is stored in genesis. Genesis carry the codes of responsible for all of our inherited traits and are grouped along road-like structures called chromosomes. Typically, the nucleus of the each cell contains 23 pairs of chromosomes, half of which are inherited from each parent. Down syndrome occurs when the individual has a full or partial extra copy of chromosome 21. Ang chromosome 21, mao ni ang symptoms sa sakit na nabilong ang Down syndrome. Ang cell sad ani kay pareha ang kulang sa buwan ang bata o ang medikala ni pareha ang dugo. Down syndrome is caused by trisomy 21. The person has 3 copies of chromosome 21 instead of the usual 2 copies in all cells. This is caused by abnormal cell division during the
Sickle cell disease is a group of disorders that affects hemoglobin, the molecule in red blood cells that delivers oxygen to cells throughout the body. People with these disorders have atypical hemoglobin molecules called hemoglobin, which can distort red blood cells into a sickle or crescent shape. So, sanggot nga sakit nga usa ka grupo nga disorders nga makapektar sa hemoglobin. Ang mga molekula sa pula nga selula sa dugo nga sa pagluwas sa oxygen sa tibok sa lawas. Ang mga tawo ba nini nga disorders sa usa ka typical nga mga molekula nga gitawag nila og hemoglobin nga mutil sa pula nga mga selula sa dugo ngadto sa usa ka sanggot o crescent.
Ketonuria is commonly known as PKU. Is an inherited disorder that increase the levels of a substance called phenylalanine. In the blood, phenylalanine is a building bloods obtained through the diet. It is found in all proteins and in some artificial sweeteners. If PKU is not treated, phenylalanine can build up to harmful levels in the body, causing intellectual disability and other serious health problems.
Hemophilia is example of normal blood and hemophilia blood. Hemophilia is an example of red dots of fingers, knees, and elbows. Hemophilia is a small cut of bone. It creates disease. So that's the hemophilia. In our environment, 6 influence and 6 limited traits. 6 limited traits are those that are expressed differently in the 2 genes, such as chromatically, which means the genes are responsible for their expressions are not carried by the sex chromosomes. An example of sex influence that traits male pattern bodies the body's ability which cause there is influenced by the humorous, testosterone, and but only levels to humans highly blood and much higher than males and females. Gene mutation. Gene mutation can be classified in two major ways. Hereditary mutations are inherited from parent and both parents throughout a person's life and virtually in the cells through the body. These mutations are called germline mutation because they are present in parents' egg or sperm or egg cells, which are also called germ cells, which an egg and sperm cells when both parents. If this DNA has a mutation, the child grows from being fertilized egg will have mutation to each his or her cells.
Genetic code. The genetic code is the set of rules by which information encoded in genetic material, DNA or RNA sequences, is translated into proteins, amino acid sequence by living cells. Those genes that code for proteins are composed of trinucleotide units called codons, each coding for a single amino acid. So, ang genetic, study na sa mga gene na gibuo gibuo nila kung unsaon nila pagganap, kung unsaon nila maipasa gikan sa ilang mga magulang patungo sa ilang anak o unsaon nila pagbag-o. The presence of drugs or chemicals in a organism's environment can also influence gene expression in the organism. Cyclofish, example ala kanang isda bitaw nga sa mata ana. Are a dramatic example of a way in which an environmental chemical can affect development. Ang second example kay chemical environments can affect gene expression is the case of supplemental oxygen administration causing blindness in premature infants kanang bagong inanak na bata nagka-cause of blind na example sa ikaduhang example sa supplemental oxygen administration became a popular practice when doctors noticed that increasing oxygen levels converted a breathing pattern of premature infants. So normal. Unfortunately, there is a cause of relationship between oxygen administration and retinopathy of prenatary. Although this relationship was unknown at the time, thus by 1953, ROP had blinded approximately 10,000 infants, so 10,000 ka-infants sa worldwide finally in 1954. Randomized clinical trial identified supplemental oxygen as the factor causing blindness. So, blindness. Complicating that issue is the fact that too little oxygen results in a higher rate of brain damage and mortality in premature infants. Unfortunately, even today, The, the optimized amount of oxygenation necessary to treat premature infant while completely avoiding complication is still not clear.